View and visualization modes of the model are controlled with a View toolbar in the lower left. To control the display of the model, enter the Show Hide tool. Immediately, you're placed in hide mode, so click anywhere in the model. This will hide what you picked and keep it selected. Keep hiding until you have the portion of the model you want. Middle click isolates to bring it back. More display control is available through the menu and the micro dialog. To save a view, click on the camera in the View toolbar. Type in a name in order to save it. At any time outside the Views tool, quickly save a view by pressing Ctrl and any number on the keypad. Recall previously saved views with just the number keys. All the visualization options for geometry and mesh are listed in their respective menus. And the model color modes are controlled here. Keep it in automatic to have the tools and selection filters control the color modes. All the standard views are listed in the model orientation menu, and the button to fit toggles between fitting what's selected and fitting the entire model. Finally, to get a look inside the model, use the Section Cuts tool. Click on the plus to create a section cut, and the micro dialog exposes section cut options, including the Move tool. Right-click to edit saved section cuts.